Hey YouTube, we're going to do a fun song today. It's called Strange, and it's by a group. It's called Galaxie 500. It's only got 3 chords. Why's everybody acting funny? Why's everybody look so strange? Why's everybody look so nasty? What do I want with all these things? I went alone down to the drugstore. I went in back and took a Coke. I stood in line and ate my Twinkies. I stood in line, I had to wait. Let's go over the chords first. G. Okay, you play the G by putting your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E. Those are your 2 E's. And then you place your middle finger on the A string at the 2nd fret. D, you place your pointer finger on the G string at the 2nd fret. You place your middle finger on the high E at the 2nd fret. You place your ring finger on the B at the 3rd fret. You play strings 4 through 1. You can get the A in there, it's okay. But it makes a triangle pointing that way with your fingers. And then A minor is index finger on the B string at the 1st fret, ring finger on the G string at the 2nd fret, and middle finger on the D string at the 2nd fret. And you can play the strings 5 through 1. A string down. That's a fun song to play and sing. Have fun. Have a great day. Bye-bye.